Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Hockey Monster back on my channel, and we are back on Car Cruisers 2. And finally, we have a new update. That is the update 62, but there's only two parts. One part has like some new cars, but only 4 cars. That's it. And actually, the mastery is now gone because now we have platina. Yay! And platina is actually shiny. Ooh. Welcome to the platina page. Here, you can track everything related to your platina income and prestige level. Earn platina every time you complete one of the milestones below. 200 out of 200 prestige reach your platina limit now adjusted dynamically based on the prices of available vehicles, allowing you to purchase any vehicle. The minimum limit is usually 2,500, but it has been changed to 2,500 until update 62 part 2 launches. No, it's been changed to 10,000. It's been changed to 10,000, but I got it on time, so I maxed out. Maximum platina limit reached. Lifetime platina will continue to increase despite the limit. And track missions, destruction, destroy 5 vehicles in the main facility place, earn 1 trillion money, make a crusher frenzy, earn 25 tuning score, earn 500 derby score, win the derby match of normal difficulty, win the derby match of hard difficulty, receive a total of 5 honorable mentions from derby matches, earn 100 credits from races, and earn 100 credits from live competitions, survive in an energy core detonation using the hidden escape boat, reach 100 billion total money, reach 250 billion total money, reach 1 trillion total money, reach 2.5 trillion total money, reach 10 trillion total money, and reach 100 trillion total money. Oh my goodness. And I got the Diamond T 968. That it came from like the last update. I think it was the last update. I don't know. No, I think it was the last mini update. So yeah. Okay. Okay. So yeah. Here we have Master Tuner. Okay, and we have that. The Ferrari 330 P2 maybe. Ferrari 330 P2, I think. I forgot to put or whatever. And here we have a BMW M4 competition. It looks so sick. I'm gonna test this out. Can you see that? Wow, looks amazing. Okay, we're gonna test them out. Also, guys, if you haven't liked or subscribed already, you can hit that like button, and most importantly, you have to subscribe. And yeah, and click that bell so you don't miss out some more of my videos. So yeah, it's insane. Okay. It's getting kind of tricky, this BMW. Ooh. Okay. I am not sure if it's gonna make it by alone on low gravity. I don't think so. Hey, come on. Oh, so close. Yeah, I think it'll make it with alone on low gravity. No, it's gonna hit the wall. Oh. Oh, dang it. Oh, really? Dang it. Alright, maybe not make it too alone, maybe. I'm trying to see if I can make it to alone. Ooh, please, please, please. Come on. BMW M4, come on. Okay, you know what? Okay. Forget about the being alone. Let's just help him. Oh, come on. Come on, stop the lag. I think it's probably my face cam, but whatever. Haha, there we go. Oh, it's stuck. No, it's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck. Okay, there we go. Oof. Oh, now it's stuck. Interesting. Okay, now let's test it on the big ramp. I mean, I did not have this car fully upgraded, so hold on. Bro, stop the lag. Okay, guys, I'm sorry, but I think it's the face cam that's causing lag, so I gotta remove it. There we go. That's better. Okay. Oh no. Well, I'm just gonna like put it into S class like very soon. You'll see what I mean, okay? Like the road has like more physics now because of the updates. Oh, what? Oh, come on. No! Okay. It's alright. We don't lose both of our wheels, okay? We don't lose both of our wheels. It's okay. See, it's okay. We did it. Hey, boom. Oh, onto the tree. 246. Damn. Right here it is, the Diamond T 968. Here we go. Excuse me. Okay, not in the 75. Oh my god, bro, come on. Oh, come on. Bro, it's too big to fit. I don't know how it's gonna fit. Okay, you know what? Screw this one. Screw this. Actually, no, not screw this. Wait, maybe a little. Bro, what? Yeah, you know what? Screw it. I didn't fully upgrade this as well, so yeah. But it's still so slow. What the heck? $98, that's it? I thought there was 100. Because it tops at 100. What the heck? Doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense so well. Oh. Big crash. Oh, and this one was actually like VIP. Okay, and we have a Subaru GL Wagon Hoonigan. Next. This is cool. I actually like this one. So close. Oh yeah, there we go. Ooh, there we go. Oh my god, another one that doesn't fit? Come on. Oh, I paint this thing yellow because it looked cool. And white rims because, yeah. And a little bit lighter red as well, so, yeah. Okay, well, that was still cool. What? Bruh. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna make it crush a little bit lighter. No. This should do it, I think. This should do it. There we go. There you go. 232. 232. I tried to hit the brakes, but no. Not on time. Okay, and we have this card that I've never seen this one before. Is Pininfarina B95, which is so cool. And I painted black because it would look very amazing. Oh, so close. Wait, I just forgot I have to paint this in black. The interior black so it could do everything that's black. Now that's more like it. Oh yeah. Now the car is everything on this car is black now, so yeah. No. Bro, what? Oh, so close. Am I gonna be here forever? Am I gonna be here forever trying to complete this? Come on. Come on. Kino, fine. You won't do it alone? Then I'm gonna help you. I hate when I help somebody that they don't make it to 100. It's annoying. Not annoying, but it's like it's 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 not good. It's not really good. It's not really good. I hate it. I hate it. Because I'm like because it's annoying. It's very annoying. Really? There we go. Oh yeah, 5 vehicles destroyed. I got 25 platina and 2 times bonus. Cool. Bro, really? Come on. Bro, come on. There you go. $268. Interesting. Hit the brakes, hit the brakes, hit the brakes, hit the brakes, hit the brakes. No, 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 no. No, no. No, not enough. Okay. That took like an hour and 10 minutes. Wow. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Peace.